Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this title that you see on the screen right now. As usual, go to the media pool and right click, new Fusion comp. You name it if you want, you don't have to, and go ahead and leave it on 5 seconds. You can also get these comp by going to effects, and they're right here. And go to Fusion, get a background, and select the background. Turn the alpha all the way down. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. Get a fast noise. Merge it into the background. Select the fast noise. Uncheck the lock, X and Y. Take the Y scale to 100. We'll leave that one on 2.0 and change the angle to 90. Then go to color, gradient, change the gradient type to reflect. I'll probably come back and change that just to show you why we're going on reflect. Take the start X to 0.5. And the end X, 0.5. And the Y, on the end Y, put 0.1. And you should have what I have now. And here's why we changed the gradient type. And we'll keep it on reflect. Bring them in a little closer. With the second one selected, pick a default color. And right click on the offset, modify width, anim curves. Go to the modifier. Set the scale to 1.5. Set the offset to -1. And the time scale, 1.5. And you should have that. Get a text node. Merge that into the background. Bring your playhead over to the end so you can see the black in the screen. And select the text node. Put the text you're liking in. And you won't be able to see it yet. Go back to the fast noise. Select the first one, the black color, and turn the alpha all the way down. And select your default color. Now set your text, pick whatever font, tracking, and all that now. This will be for the default settings. Now select the background. Now take the alpha all the way up. We're ready to make the macro. Hold the control button down. Select these in the order that I do. And right click on any one of the nodes. Make sure you do not select the media out. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. Fast noise. Go to color. And background. In front of color, put in background. Go to File. Save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Titles. And this is where you're going to make your folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same or Resolve won't recognize it. So make it a little bit different. And hit save. We'll go find it. Here it is. To change the color, click on the second diamond. Turn the alpha all the way down, and everything else is self-explanatory. If you want to make this transparent, put something else under it. And this is now transparent. Like that. Or leave the alpha up and add any color to it. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.